My name is Bettina Evans.
So my name is Mohit Muhammad. I'm principal architect.
Hey, my name is Amir Iqbal.
Hi, Austin. This is Alpesh Patel.
What is your designation?
I'm in Orlando, Florida. I've been doing software development. I was a certified trainer for Microsoft, and I've been in software for 30 years.
And typically I lead a team of architects, which would also include infrastructure cloud architects.
I have 15 years in IT, Cisco routing, DNS, Unix, Linux, HP, Solaris platforms. So I'm kind of versed in it, but I've just been away for a while. Right now, I'm a supervisor of distribution operations for the United States Postal Service. Amazon is one of our clients.
I'm a senior software engineer at Unum, that's an insurance company.
I work as a IT operations manager, consultant, and architect.
Why did you take up this certification course from Sprintzeal?
I'm taking this certification to get an in-depth understanding and also to get some hands-on experience. So Paul has done an excellent job so far, and I saw that the material you had sent out was excellent too. So I'm learning a lot from Paul, and also my classmates. They're asking some very good questions, very knowledgeable people here with very deep experience. So you learn with the class, of course. That's another point of starting on your own versus joining a group, so that you have your classmates there. They can answer, or they ask questions that you would think that, hey, I never thought of this. Any feedback that I could give constructive? My only concern is, I'm not sure if, where we are at, is this enough to get through the class? I think a lot more preparation is needed. Purely taking the exam point of view is what I'm saying. So we did get a set of questions. I think there's 500 questions that Paul had sent out. So I have to still revise that and, go through that mock exam, like you said, probably. But at this point of time, probably not even close to being ready to take the exam. So that's the only feedback I have.
Working on cloud within the company, on-premise private cloud for a few years now. Been a champion for Azure now since there's a new norm for AWS. That's why I'm trying to go and get my certification for AWS.
So I'm taking this course because I have planned to take AWS certification exam soon. So with the training, if you are asking, so it's going to be like not to cover by ourselves. So I'm having this training. So as soon as I would be ready, I would take this exam.
How was the training?
The training was, I learned about the how Paul coming on board at the very last minute, because the earlier instructor who was supposed to be here, he fell ill, and Paul had to just been brought on. And so far, Paul has been doing an excellent job, coming at the last very moment and trying to go with whatever the structured module is. So, which is a good thing, yeah. And for me, I feel it's okay for now, based on my experience, my understanding about the cloud.
But right now, I think the class is excellent. I'm understanding the instructor, and he's given us valuable resources to prepare us for the exam.
Yeah, so far the presentation and the content that whatever Paul has shared is really good, and he's covering all the concepts and some of the nuances there. So I'm very satisfied and very happy. And I'm very satisfied and happy with the services Sprintzeal also provides in terms of responding or following up and supporting, right? So all in all, a great experience. Just looking forward to finishing the certification.
And just getting more acclimated to the whole of best practices on AWS and going after the certifications.